Hi guys, there was a question from one of the problems in the turning assignment number 2. I think problem number 22 from section 1.5. So obviously I can't do that one because, as I said before, I can answer a question on turning assignment problem because those you'll be graded. But the student also wanted to know if I can do something similar to that one. So there was a problem number 21 on the same section. So I'm going to work that one for you, and hopefully this will help her. So this is number 21. Okay, so we have, this is of course going to be application of order of operations. So we have 1/2 divided by 2/3 plus 6 times 1/4. Okay, so again, we treat this fraction, of course, just like any other number. So we still have to follow the order of operations. So as you remember, the first thing, of course, is make sure you know which operation takes priority over another one. So we have division, addition, multiplication. So of course, as you know, division and multiplication has to be done first from the order left to right. And then, of course, we'll do the last operation, which is addition. Okay, so now don't forget, when it comes to dividing fractions, we don't never divide directly. Remember, we have to change it to multiplication and then reciprocate the second fraction. So first step is to change that to multiplication. Of course, reciprocal of 2/3 becomes 3/2. Then everything else is still pretty much there. So, by the way, if you want to make 6 as 6/1, just to make sure you understand that you can always think of any number as a fraction, so that way you can multiply the fractions together. So here, of course, as you multiply, so we're going to multiply these two together, we're going to multiply those two, and then, of course, finally, we're ready to add, right? Because remember, multiplication always gets priority over addition. So as you know, the way you multiply two fractions, top times top, bottom times bottom. So 1 times 3 becomes 3, 2 times 2 becomes 4. Also, we have here 6 times 1, which becomes 6, 4 times 1 becomes 4. Now, here we have two fractions with the same denominator, so we can combine them by simply writing one of the denominators, then combine the top. And of course, 3 plus 6 becomes 9. Now, sometimes they do leave the answer as an improper fraction, but if they want the mixed number, of course, as you know, this is the same thing as 2 and 1/4, right? Because 2 times 8 is 9, plus 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 becomes 9 over 4. Okay, so hopefully this will help, because it's very similar to number 22, which is one of the problems from this section in your turning assignment number 2, okay?